Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Principal Financial Group, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all your financial information in one place. Collect pay stubs, bank statements, and any other relevant financial documents. Identify your sources of income, including salaries, side jobs, or investments. Next, list your monthly expenses. Categorize these expenses into fixed and variable costs. Fixed costs include things like rent or mortgage payments, utilities, and insurance. Variable costs can include groceries, entertainment, and shopping. Now, determine your total monthly income. Subtract your total monthly expenses from your total income. This result shows your net income. If your expenses exceed your income, it's time to adjust your budget. Prioritize your needs over wants. Identify areas where you can cut back on variable expenses. Once you have a clearer picture, set financial goals. These could be short-term goals like saving for a vacation, or long-term goals like retirement planning. Consider using budgeting tools offered by Principal Financial Group. Their online resources can help simplify tracking your income and expenses. Create a budget that aligns with your financial goals. Adjust the budget monthly based on changes in income and expenses. Make saving a priority by including it in your budget. Aim for a specific percentage of your income to set aside each month. Monitor your spending closely to ensure you're sticking to your budget. Review and adjust your budget regularly as your financial situation changes. Utilize investments and savings plans provided by Principal Financial Group to enhance your financial growth. Educate yourself about personal finance through their resources and workshops. Stay committed to your budgeting plan and practice consistency. With time, budgeting will become a natural part of your financial routine. Patience and discipline are key to achieving your financial goals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.